how to enable bank feeds, so you can see all transactions from your bank account in your accounting software Ember, and so you can easily split between business and personal transactions. Go to transactions on your left hand side, add a bank account, business or personal, it's still the same. Search by your bank account and select if it's business account, select business account. In my case, Lloyd has two, business and personal, so I will click personal and continue. You can read information, allow, and now connect to your bank account and enable feed. So once you have done, all transactions will show up like in this way. So, and then you can decide if this transaction is personal or business. So for example, Google, I can enable and say this is a business transaction, decide under which category it will go. For example, expenses, and I will say, let's say software. You can attach receipt for it. For example, here, attach receipt and approve. And Google have moved here. And you can see that there is attached receipt as well. This is the way how you can enable your bank feeds and start to utilize functionality to split transactions between business and personal accounts.